mean, I got like divorced myself. So
Yeah, absolutely.
those days are over.
Yeah. Fuck that. He wanted kids and she didn't.
Yeah, I mean, marriage is stupid.
Yeah.
I'm glad I did it. And
Well, the first time you learn from love. The second, third, fourth, five, six, seven.
I think that's the problem. Like, it's a business decision, like, after a point, you know? It's like, and I think that men and women are misaligned separately, you know? It's just like, it's not good.
If you don't love the person, because that's the...
You gotta, like, like them, you know?
Yeah, I really love the person.
And I just feel like, I don't really, like, be around anybody who has that shit. I just don't need to be around anybody who has that shit.
Yeah, it's hard.
My dad's the only child.
Yeah.
It's good though to have like somebody that like has a back go off their zone and be on the way.
Well, say what it is.
I was very 10. Got a 1-year-old.
Oh, you had a kid?
Yeah.
My sister, they dated now.
Yeah, I had one kid. And then I was like, I don't know. I felt like I should have had more kids. He got remarried and the next kid he had was like full dogs and everything. I was like, ew. And that's how it's gonna happen.
Not your kid, though.
My kid's good.
Wow. Happy Mother's Day.
I just took my experience this life that I knew from different points, like being like I just run into the parents like home here.
Yeah, and my sister lives right there in Archery site.
Oh wow.
Off of the kitchen house, 2 stories. Billy Buffett had a house in the Oh yeah, and this.
I'm moving back down there to see Mission View.
Yeah, that's on the other side.
Yeah, it's like
That's where we used to hang out. It's like, this is fun.
yeah. I've been here, I was born here and I've been back here for 4 years and I'm just like not
Yeah, where'd you go? Smoke?
no, I've been here since college.
No, I know, but down.
Oh no, I've lived in San Antonio and then I moved here like 4 years ago.
Oh,
And now I'm
I
back
love
down
Wilshire.
there.
Wilshire.
It's just crazy, like, I think I just judge places by the sidewalks, like,
You know what I like?
it's not more expensive either.
Sound.
Yeah, I love
I
South.
love the sound.
Yeah, South Beach is
Yeah.
very nice. Am I like this?
Hey, take
Nice to
care.
talk to you. Huh?
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you so much.
The other direction goes to Union Station. Yeah. This is definitely an older train.
John, I'm here with Steve trying out the new subway stations here. So I'm going to be home a little later. I already had lunch at Langer's here.
Please stand clear. Please be
No,
prepared to
I'm not
present your
that.
form of validated tap card for inspection by security or law enforcement. Violations are subject to a citation.
Could be 6, could be 6:30 or something.
Hey, John, how you doing? Good to see you.
Next up is Wilshire Fairfax Station. Connect upstairs with line 217 to the Grove, Hollywood, Atwater Village,
Hey, Susan, welcome back. Yeah.
Okay, see you, John. What?
La Cienega. And remember to tap again to exit. Make sure you have all of your personal belongings and remain seated or hold on until the doors have opened. Upon arrival, all passengers must exit the train. Those who wish to continue riding must exit as we enter the station.
I am at Wilshire La Cienega station, the end of the line for the D line starting May 8th. Although this video might be posted a bit later than the opening date. So, unfortunately, I did miss the celebrations at the stations, but that's okay. I'm just here to explore the stations. Alright, let's check it out. Seriously? The station just opened and the escalator is already broken. But I really like how this station is decorated. This is nice. The elevators are nice. Everything is nice. It's really cool, isn't it? Alright, let's take the elevator. Alright, here's my elevator. Let's take it down to the concourse. Okay. There's the 20 and the 720. The elevator is really nice. Of course, it's really new, as it should be. The only thing I kind of have a problem with is that the only thing I don't like about these new stations is that it takes forever to get from the surface down to the platforms. Because when I went up to the surface, it took me like 3 minutes. Or maybe I'm just really slow at walking because I was checking out the stations as I was going. Fares are free for the entire weekend. It's really bright here. I love how bright it is because there is nowhere for homeless people to be at. See, like if you try to hide in the corner, it will still be lit up. If you try to be anywhere, it'll still be lit up. And even if you try to use the elevators for privacy, you may not be able to because the elevators are really well lit, so people can easily see you from the inside. Don't judge me for being lazy for taking the elevator instead of the stairs. Like I said, this elevator is really well lit, so if homeless people try to hang out here, you won't be able to because people can see you from the outside easily. But this technically isn't really the end of the line because eventually it'll extend even more to, Wilshire? No, Westwood VA Hospital, I believe. See how it keeps going? Of course, they're still working on it. It won't be open for the next few years, I think. This kind of reminds me of the Little Tokyo Arts District station on the A and D lines. Kind of looks familiar, except there's a third rail instead of overhead wiring. All right. So there are two interlockings and junctions, at Wilshire La Cienega and the other at Wilshire La Brea.
The D-Line train to Wilshire, La Cienega, and Beverly Hills is now arriving. Please step back and allow customers to exit the train before boarding. What are you doing? Should enter the doors marked yellow decals.
They changed the announcement voices as well. Okay, there's an HR 4000 coming in. Wait, no, sorry, it's a Brea. It's a Brea A650 train. It's really nice here. Yeah, this reminds me of the Little Tokyo Arts District station, like because of the paintings and the way it looks. Except it's third rail instead of overhead wiring. Really nice here. We've got a lot of rail fanners here, but let's head over to the next station. I am at Wilshire Fairfax station between Wilshire La Cienega and Wilshire La Brea station. Let's check out how it is over here. All right, let me check the decoration first, then I'll head up to the surface. All right, just navigate through all of these people. One thing that I have noticed about this station, or maybe it could be for all of them, is that there are these yellow poles. Like, there's more of them. Like, for the older stations, there's like 2 of them, I believe. 2 of them. For over here, it's 1, 2, 3, 5 of them. So, which means there's these poles for every car instead of 2 cars. Ooh, I like the colors. I can't really read the words. Let me see. I think it says we over us, I think. Something like that. Alright, let's head up to the surface. So this station looks somewhat identical to the previous station that I was at, except the decorations are a little bit different. So ooh, look at the artwork. I'm seeing like people. Or they look like people. Aliens, maybe. Aliens. That looks really cool. Oh, like stone artwork and metallic artwork, I believe. I believe there are 2 exits based on how the pathway looks. Because I see it to the left and one to the right. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, you can only exit that way. I thought it looked like that there was an exit here. Why is this? Like, why is there something? But anyway, let's head up to the exit. Let's see how it looks outside. Thank you. I got a map from the Metro Transit Security. Nice. I don't really know any of the backstories behind all this like art and pictures, but yeah, it's still nice though. Okay, I'm guessing the escalator is broken for all of the stations. All of the escalators going down are broken. The ones going up are the only ones that are working. And I'm too lazy to take the stairs, so I'm gonna just take the elevator. Please do not judge me. I know I should work out, but yeah, you know what I mean, okay? We don't want to take stairs all the time. Well, I don't. We got a lot of photographers, one right there, and then I think I saw a few more down there. Yeah. Okay, there are a lot of escalators and stairs to go through, to use. I'm seeing a lot of D shirts. I'm seeing a lot of Ride the D shirts, because I believe that was the dress code for the opening celebration. I believe this is a museum right here. I usually don't come over to the Beverly Hills area much, but I do believe that this is a museum. I'm really, really happy that the extension is open. I'm trying to contain my happiness right now, because if I didn't, I'd be like, the extension is open. Oh my god, yeah. But no. Yeah, see, look at all these Ride the D shirts. It's nice. It's interesting. So this is how it looks on the outside. A lot of museums. See, look at all the Ride the D shirts. You cannot really see them, but they're everywhere. They're everywhere. It looks really nice. It looks nice. Everything looks nice. Nice this, nice that. It's nice. It's nice. Ooh, man. When I have more time, I can check out the surrounding areas of all the stations. And there are some broadcasters here. Hey, look at all this. Looks really nice. There's KTLA 5. I watch that channel quite a bit. Interesting. I watch KTLA 5 quite a bit, so it's interesting to see their van. See? Look, I'm in the news now. I'm in the news. So if you ever want to see my face, then just see the news then. Alright, let's head to the next station. I am at Wilshire La Brea station, the final news station that I will be visiting for today. Well, this is the final stop, literally. I like the artwork. I like the artwork for all of the stations. Although they might be a bit basic, it's still like creative for them to like decorate stations in different ways for each station. Let's watch this train depart. I noticed that there's a junction here, so let's check it out. I love the sound of trains going over interlockings. Sounds really nice. I did notice that whenever we did go over interlockings, the train shook a little less violent. Like when the trains go over interlockings for the older stations, then it shakes, it vibrates and shakes quite a bit. Although I kind of like it though. But in this case, for the new interlockings, the trains don't shake as much. We got a lot of D-shirts. So many Ride the D-shirts. It's really nice, isn't it? Alright, let's check this out. This artwork mainly represents like ocean, like water, because it has like a lot of blue. And I do see water quite a bit, so it probably represents like ocean, the ocean. Alright, let's head up. I bet there will be another huge set of stairs. Or should I take the elevator? You know what? Yeah, let's be lazy once again and take the elevator. That one went up, but that's okay. I still have this one. All right, let's go. Okay. Oops, wrong button. Wrong button. That was a mistake. I did not mean to press that button. Let's go. All right, I am here at the surface level. Let's see how it looks. We are greeted by some music. There's quite a lot of places you can try checking out once you exit the station. But like I said, I will not wander off. I'm just checking out the station in general. This station kind of reminds me of the historic Broadway station in downtown. Well, it was really nice. This extension was really nice, but this video has come to an end. Bye-bye.